This video shows how to flash UIFlow 2 firmware on StackChan and edit and deploy programs in the UIFlow 2 web IDE. Download M5 burner flashing tool from official M5 Stack website and install it. Select StackChan on the left sidebar, find its UIFlow 2 firmware, and click download. Connect the device to PC via USB Type-C cable. Hold the reset button at the bottom until the LED turns green. Then release. The device will enter download mode once the green light turns off. Click Burn. Fill in Wi-Fi and other config info. Click Next to flash the firmware. After flashing, connect the device to UIFlow 2 to push programs. StackChan connects to UIFlow 2 via wireless access code or wired USB. This tutorial uses the access code method. After StackChan starts up, you can view and obtain the access code on the develop page of the UI. Make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi first. Open the UIFlow to web IDE. Click Controller to open the device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on StackChan and UIFlow 2. Example 1. Screen. Displaying Hello M5 Stack on screen via UI editor. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Run always saves code to device. Example 2. Button. Use button blockly to display the button state when pressed. Example 3. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Example 4. IMU. Use IMU blockly to view real-time 3-axis gyro angular velocity. Example 5. ALS. Use the ALS blockly to get the current ambient light intensity of the StackChan device. Example 6. Touch. Use the touch blockly to display the current finger touch coordinates on the screen in real time. Example 7. NFC. Use the NFC blockly to read the NFC card information. Example 8. Touchpad. Use the touchpad blockly to read the touch area value when a hand touches the top touch-sensitive panel of StackChan. Example 9. RGB. Use the RGB blockly to switch the indicator light color every 1 second. Example 10. Servo. Use the servo blockly to control StackChan's head to shake when the screen is tapped. Example 11. IR. Use one StackChan as the transmitter and another Course 3, equipped with a unit IR as the receiver to achieve infrared communication. Example 12. Camera. Use the camera image blockly to activate the camera on the StackChan device and display a real-time preview. Here's the full demo of programming StackChan on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.